Looking for the best air fryer for chicken wings but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best air fryer for chicken wings based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Typhur Sink Oven is a versatile and high-tech option for anyone who wants to cook a variety of dishes. Its standout feature is the Smart AI Wireless Meat Thermometer probe, which ensures that your meat is cooked to perfection every time. This air fryer toaster oven combo has a wide range of cooking options, from air frying to toasting and dehydrating. The 360 degrees turbo convection ensures that your food is cooked evenly and quickly. With its large capacity and advanced features, this air fryer is a great option for anyone who wants to cook complex meals with ease. Number 4. The Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer is a high-end option for anyone who wants to take their cooking to the next level. Its standout feature is the precise heating control, which allows you to cook a variety of dishes with even results. This air fryer has a wide range of cooking options, from air frying to roasting and broiling. The PFAS-Free ceramic coating ensures that your food is cooked without any chemicals. The digital touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it a great option for anyone who wants to cook complex meals. With its large capacity and advanced features, this air fryer is a great investment for anyone who loves to cook. Number 3. The Ninja Air Fryer is a compact and powerful option for anyone who wants to cook healthy meals at home. Its standout feature is the 4-in-1 function, which allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate a variety of foods. This air fryer is ideal for small spaces, as it fits easily on most countertops. The non-stick basket and crisper plate make food release easy and cleanup a breeze. The 400 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. With its compact size and versatility, this air fryer is a great option for anyone who wants to cook healthy meals without taking up too much space. Number 2. The Emphsism 12QD Large Dual Zone Air Fryer is perfect for big families or those who love to cook in bulk. Its standout feature is the divider that separates the two cooking zones, allowing you to cook 2 different dishes at once. The Match Cook function also makes it easy to cook complex meals with multiple components. This air fryer has a wide range of cooking options, from air frying to toasting and dehydrating. The digital touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it a great option for anyone who wants to take their cooking to the next level. With its large capacity and versatility, this air fryer is a great investment for anyone who loves to cook. Number 1. The Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer is a great option for anyone who wants to cook healthier meals at home. Its standout feature is the digital touchscreen interface, which makes it easy to navigate and set the perfect temperature. This air fryer is ideal for small families or individuals who want to cook a variety of dishes. With its 2 independent baskets, you can cook multiple foods at once, making meal prep a breeze. The high fry function gives your food a crispy exterior while keeping it moist on the inside. The auto shut-off feature also gives you peace of mind, knowing that your air fryer will turn off when your food is cooked. Overall, this air fryer is a great addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.